Hi guys, I'm Dr. Bijit and with us we have Miss Avanti Deshpande.
Hello everyone, welcome to Slim Bite Eat Right Season 2.
Season 2 is all about festive food. So what are we making today?
Today it's going to be an exciting recipe.
Okay.
We all love sev puri.
Obviously, I mean you don't have to ask that, yeah.
So now I'm going to change it to an healthy option.
Really?
Where I'm going to make baked puris.
Okay.
And I'm going to make baked dahi puris out of that.
My mouth's
Should we
watering.
get started?
Yes, let's get started.
Okay. For that we are first going to make the puris.
Okay.
For the puris I'm going to use half a cup of wheat flour. Okay. And in that I'm adding fresh butter. About a teaspoon of fresh butter. Okay. And some zeera.
Okay.
Now I'm going to knead a dough. Okay. With some ice cold water.
Okay.
Now there is a specific reason for using ice cold water is we don't have to allow the butter to melt a lot.
Okay.
We have to just leave it intact as it is. That's why ice cold water. Okay.
You want me to?
Yeah. Just a minute. First what I'm going to do is I'm just going to crumble the butter into this. Now the butter was also a refrigerated one.
Okay.
So that it remains more or less intact.
So it acts as a binding agent.
No, the thing is because we're baking it, it is going to lose its crispiness if there is going to be oil into it.
Okay.
That's why I'm adding homemade butter into it. Okay, and then you have to do it absolutely with a lot of fragileness because otherwise the puris are not going to be crispy, they are going to be hard.
They have to be crispy.
Yes.
That's the USP.
Yes. Please add some water, just little by little. Yeah, enough. Now I'm just collecting this whole dough together. I'm not kneading it.
Okay.
Okay. Can I just have some little more? Huh? Just a little drop, okay? Now I'm going to roll it out.
So you actually made a ball out of it?
Yes.
Simply?
Yes, I made a ball. Like how you make a nata dough?
Yes.
Same fashion. Okay, now I'm going to roll it out. I'm going to take some wheat flour and roll it out in the wheat flour.
This is very interesting, huh? Healthy.
Yes, absolutely.
I can't believe that. I mean,
Healthy puris.
healthy food is actually,
And I have not added any baking powder or anything into this.
Yes, exactly.
It's just the
I didn't
technique
know
that
this.
is going to
Yes,
make
yes,
it crispy.
Exactly.
Okay. Now you really need not have a correct big chapati.
Okay.
I'm going to cut it with the help of a cookie cutter. Okay. So these are your ready puris. Okay. Now I'm taking a baking tray and arranging them into this. Okay. Alright. Now what we'll do is we have to prick this. Okay, with the help of a fork. The reason for pricking it is like it should not bubble up when it is in the oven.
Exactly.
Yes, that is why we are going to prick it. Okay. With the help of a fork. Now we can also make a similar kind of more puris and add into this. Okay. Once they are ready, this will go into the oven at 180 degrees centigrade.
Okay.
Okay. And you will bake them for about 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay.
And then we'll be done with the baked puris.
Yes.
Okay.
We're inching closer.
Yes.
Closer towards making
Yes,
the recipe.
absolutely. Now we will move on to the next step of actually making our ragda puri.
Okay.
I have already baked some puris. Okay. Now I'm going to use these puris further to make the dahi patata puri. Now this is simply assembling everything together. Okay, this is skim milk curds which I am taking. Okay, I am going to crush some garlic into it. Okay, so this gets a nice garlicky flavor.
Yes.
So this part is ready. Now I'm going to assemble everything together in this dish. Alright. Now for the sake of convenience of eating, I'm just going to break this one into two.
Okay.
Okay.
They're crispy.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah, you can taste one if you want.
Surely I was just about to say that.
Now we are adding all the ingredients.
Nice.
Crispy?
Actually.
Okay. Now we are adding all the ingredients. Okay, we'll start with the sprouted. And you can change the quantity of ingredients the way you want, whatever is your taste. Okay. Then I'm adding the tomatoes. Then I'm adding the chopped onions. These all are finely chopped. Then I'm adding the boiled potatoes to it. Okay. Now I'm adding the imli chutney.
Okay. It's getting yummier and yummier.
Yes. Then I'm putting, this is mint, coriander and green chilies paste.
Okay.
Okay. You like it spicy?
Yes.
So I'll make it a bit more spicy for you. Then these curds which we have, I'm just going to pour it a bit. Okay. Now this is the seasonings. I'm adding the red chili powder. This is again as per your taste, the way you like it. Then this is the dhana jeera powder. And this is chaat masala.
Yeah.
Indians love chaat.
Chaat masala.
Yes, so we cannot let go the chaat masala. Okay. Now I'm going to finish it off with coriander, chopped coriander. Okay. And a little bit more of boiled sprouts just to give it a nice look. And here you go, your dish is ready.
Wow. Looks beautiful. It was really fast.
Yes,
Easy.
easy. And let us, you can taste it and see and tell me how it
Sure,
is.
this is beautiful, guys. You have to see this. It's awesome. It's smelling nice. It's
And
smelling
one
so
more
fresh.
thing, it doesn't have any save or any fried item in this.
Yes, exactly. No save, nothing at all.
And I don't think, it's looking like a missed out item as well.
Actually. So I guess it's tasting time now.
Yes, that's tasty.
Okay, guys. I'm sorry you guys are jealous, but I am the lucky one who's going to have this. Sorry. Wow. Now look at that.
Do you like it?
It's yummy. It's yummy. I mean, awesome. It's actually, you don't feel it's big,
Yes,
and you've got obviously all the chutneys right.
absolutely.
The crispiness is there.
So
and-
this can go as an excellent snack during all the festive seasons.
Actually.
Carefree.
And everybody can eat that.
Yes.
Actually, nobody can say this is not.
Kids
not-
love it, adults love it, and we all Indians love chaat food. So this is it.
Seriously, guys, like always, Miss Avanti has come up with a very exceptional dish. I mean, you are always very good at cooking, you know. I love this dish. So go home and please cook this. Okay. Bye. I'm having this. Bye.
Bye bye.